Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to delete Google account from iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is to open any web browser, okay, from your phone, and then search for my account at google.com. Okay, that's right. Then right after that, you will see this section here, and then click on data and privacy. Okay, now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the delete your Google account option. So this one, click on it. Okay, now you'll need to type out your password. Okay, just type out your password and then click on next. This one. Okay, now you will see this message here, if what are the pros and cons if you're going to delete your Google account. So right after that, you just have to agree with all the terms and conditions. So just click on this two here. Okay, and then right after that, you're just going to tap on delete account option. Okay, so that's how you can delete your Google account from your iPhone. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.